Today we're making overnight oats. Rebel Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways, and boy, we all really need more of the old ways these days. Overnight oats are the perfect grab-and-go breakfast. So if you saw my short, I got this Kilner jar. It is called the breakfast jar. I got it at a garage sale. I did not pay the $20+ for it. I only paid about $3.50 for it. Not even that. So I'm very $2.50. I paid $2.50 for it. So I'm very excited to show you how to make overnight oats in my new overnight oats jar. So first we add oats. 1/2 cup old-fashioned oats. A teaspoon of chia seed. 1 teaspoon chia seeds. 1/3 cup of milk. 1/3 cup milk, almond milk, whatever your preference is. A cup of yogurt. 1/2 cup yogurt. I went to the cupboard and my big thing of yogurt was not doing well. So we will use one of the to-go cups that the kids had. Yogurt. And a 1/4 cup of fruit. 1/4 cup of fruit. That's it. That's the recipe. You can go ahead and stir those up so that everything gets down there to those oats and they can soak up, and the chia seeds can soak overnight. I'm going to put this in the refrigerator, let it set overnight, and I will have breakfast ready to grab and go in the morning. But you know I'm a rebel. I have a rebel tip for you. Stop. So this is a regular pint jar. This is a peanut butter lid. You can use this to do your overnight oats, and you don't need to waste your regular lids. This is perfect for a grab and go. If you're doing something like hiking, take your old peanut butter jar, bonus points if it still has a little bit of peanut butter in it because that's protein, and use this jar if you're hiking. That's what hikers do for overnight oats. So there you go. There's a couple of ways to reuse, recycle, and have a great healthy breakfast in the morning. You have a great day, Rebel Canners. You can garnish with nuts. I actually like granola. A little lemon zest for a dash of vitamin C. You can sweeten this with honey, maple syrup, or jam. Let set at least overnight before eating. Check out this whole nutritious breakfast playlist I have for you. I think that there's some things you really like in it. Rebel Canners recipe files from the beginning to 2022 is now available in book form online at Amazon. Thank you and have a great day. Like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. So many more exciting episodes coming up.